today we got the Mag Hex wrench, which is a magnetized wrench with different sizes. Supply and demand. So it is providing this item. We have 3 different areas here. This is the magnet on this side so that you can actually attach it. So if you have a tool bag or a toolbox or anything, that's how you can store it. Otherwise, if you're trying to magnetize the bolt, it's going to be in your middle one. Outside of that, you have 2 regular style wrenches, crescent wrenches with different sizes. So the cool thing with this is we all understand that you can use your finger, but you have to go all the way through. It just takes forever. And if you have to do that through the whole process, it can make the job a lot longer. So, with this wrench, the great thing is that we can get it on here, magnetize the bolt, and then it's a lot easier, less taxing on your hands. So if you have some jobs with long threaded bolts, you got to screw down a bolt all the way down, this can make your job a lot easier. And you can use the hand wrench side if you want, but it gives you the option to be hands-free or hands-on. Can be used for multiple purposes, such as over here. This is a smaller bolt, which we can do the same thing. So you have different bolt sizes. This obviously is magnetized here, so you can come in and use it as well. You know, you just want to focus on keeping it close, but it does work. It's kind of an all-in-one tool that you can put in your tool bag and makes the job easier.